This is one of the greatest additions to any workbench. So this is my workbench. It's made from oak hardwood flooring with T-track and things like that. And it's really nice and I love it. The problem is when I have projects on here and I'm staining or painting, I really don't want this to get ruined more than it already is. So the solution to that was I put a Kraft paper roll on the end of my bench. Problem is, I made it for a small roll, and now I'm buying the bigger rolls to make sure I always have some on hand. So we're gonna take out the old and we're gonna put in a new one, and I think you're gonna wanna do this too because it's an awesome upgrade to a workbench to help protect the surface of your bench. I just realized I messed up. I made 2 through holes. One of these needs to be a partial hole. Hey, I want to pause just for a second and tell you what's going to happen next week. I have joined a YouTube collaboration called Makers Rock, where a bunch of YouTube woodworkers get together and recreate old rock albums. I am going to be doing Journey Evolution. I'm super excited to be a part of this collaboration, and there's going to be a ton of YouTubers that are going to be doing it, like AJ from Woodified or Darius from Mighty Sawdust. So there will be, it comes out April 29th, and there'll be a huge playlist full of all of the YouTubers who are gonna be making these albums. But not just that, we're also giving them all away. So if you want one of these, check out the video that comes out April 29th to enter to win the album artwork. I'm gonna be doing Journey, so check it out, April 29th, Makers Rock collaboration. That's better. So the through hole actually was too tight for the dowel. So I needed to drill a 1-inch hole instead of 7/8 inch hole. The way you do that, take a piece of scrap wood and drill your hole for your Forstner bit in the scrap wood. Then you clamp your piece over the hole and right where you want it, try to keep it centered as possible. Then while that's clamped, you can drill through and it'll guide your Forstner bit all the way through without having to worry about it jumping around all crazy and stuff. I think this is one of the most valuable upgrades I've done to my workbench. And if you're gonna do it, comment down below. Say, I'm making this. And I think it'd be a great addition to help protect your work surface from all of the things that you're doing with your projects. So, with that being said, we'll see you on the next one.